Level 8, Upper Intermediate. The Farmer and the Stork. One day, a farmer was sowing seeds in his wide green field. But soon, flocks of noisy birds began flying down each morning to eat his work. He tried to scare them away with shouting and sticks, but they always returned. Finally, he spread a large net across the field, hoping to trap them. The next day, when he came back, he found many birds caught: blackbirds, crows, pigeons, and among them, a tall stork. The stork flapped his wings and cried, "Please, good farmer, do not harm me. I am not one of them. I am gentle, I serve people, and I help my family. I came here only to rest my wings." The farmer said, "Maybe what you say is true, but you are caught with the wrong company. I cannot free you, for you chose to fly among thieves." And so, the poor stork was punished with the rest. As the farmer walked away, he said to himself, "Those who mix with the wicked must bear their fate, no matter how good they claim to be."